Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to be making a miniature galaxy painting. So let's begin. For that I am taking this small mini canvas. Now taking some pink color and adding it in the middle. Then adding some purple around the pink. Now I'm adding some blue color. Then I'm adding some Persian blue color. Now clean the brush and start spreading the paint and slowly blend it. I'm even adding some black to create more darkness and depth. You can take another brush and start spreading it in circular motion. It will automatically start blending. Even adding some pink. Now using a cloth start dabbing on the painting. It would create an easy galaxy look. Now I'm sprinkling some white paint on it. Just mix some white paint and water and create these splashes. And our easy and quick miniature galaxy painting is ready. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care and bye.